Oh, wow.
to bring him back down.
So she drew on her traditional knowledge in that moment of crisis.
Yeah, exactly.
That makes sense. Did it work?
It didn't.
Yeah.
The wind only grew stronger.
Oh, no.
But then in a moment of desperation, she remembered her Christian faith.
Okay.
She started to pray, and almost immediately the wind subsided, allowing her husband to land safely.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That sounds like a pivotal moment for the family.
Yeah.
A moment where their faith was truly tested and ultimately reaffirmed.
Yes.
Did this experience influence their approach to life on the land?
Absolutely. I think this event solidified the role of faith in their lives.
Okay.
And this theme of faith and prayer would continue to play a significant role as Pastor Lumafu began to develop Bafu Base.